Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a 1976 Zippo Slim Windproof lighter. It's a gold tone. Has plenty of wear, scuffs, scrapes, dents, dings, especially to the lid. And there's something, I've never felt like Slims lock down quite like regular size Zippos do, and there's something impeding this one. I don't know exactly if it's cam spring or something catching here on the insert, but I'm also not exactly sure of the model. When I look it up, I see descriptions such as golden elegance or gold elegance. I also see tree bark. I see many that say gold plated, but I don't see any markings on here that tell me that the lighter's gold plated. So maybe somebody can help me out in the comments with those questions. But it has kind of a brush finish on the back, regular high polish finish on the spine, sides, top, bottom, and then the bark or golden elegance or whatever that design is, along with a space for a name or monogram. This lighter's been bent up a little bit. Not the lighter, well, as I said, it's got plenty of wear as well. But the insert there, the chimney, you can see has been bent in pretty good. So whereas the lighter has a gold tone, the insert also has a gold tone. So maybe it is gold plated. I don't know. I re-wicked it. It had a sorry looking wick in it that I can only believe somebody has put in there sometime. I don't believe it could have been original. It didn't have a wire woven through it like the Zippo wicks usually do, and it was just really scrubby looking. So I re-wicked it, repacked it, and that's holding fuel really well now. Insert's in pretty good shape, but it does have some plating loss, a dent or ding or two also. Not as much wear as a lot of them will have, especially lighter that's, well, 44 years old. As I said earlier, plenty of wear, scuffs, scrapes, dents, dings. A lot of it looks like kind of wear that happens in the bottom of a drawer, like on the back side of the lighter here. But still very functional and even a nice looking lighter, even with its flaws. As I said, you can see the looks like it's been thrown into the gravel there on the lid in several spots. I dropped one off a third floor balcony that didn't look that bad. But as I said, that's really seems to have been where the majority of the damage or brunt of whatever abuse it has taken was right there on the top of the lid. And maybe that had something to do with throwing off the why it's not exactly closing all the way. Slims are really cool lighters to carry. They can fit in a pocket, not near as clunky or take up as much room as a full-size Zippo does, depending on what kind of clothes you're wearing or what kind of bag you're carrying, what kind of armrest you have in your vehicle. Nothing wrong with a Zippo Slim. Made in 1976, and I'm not sure how long they made, what span of time that Zippo produced this particular design, but this design certainly looks like the 1970s to me. I would have been 5 years old about that time. Long time ago. If you like old petrol lighters, Tobacco ashtrays, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that off in a text message, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with people nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments, questions below. We would also appreciate it if you would like and follow us across all the social media platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course like us on eBay. Until next time.